What up, y'all? It's your man, Mr. POV, back with another video. Man, in today's video, hold up, I will be riding down Spring Garden. This is Spring Garden right here, straight ahead of me. Right now, I'm on Delaware Ave, you know, about to hit Spring Garden right here. It's like 7 o'clock in the afternoon right now. It's a Wednesday. Yeah, and I'm about to take this afternoon ride all the way down to the art museum. And I'm taking along for the ride. Thanks to everybody that's subscribed to the channel, that watched the video, hit that like button, I appreciate it. Help this young channel grow. Very, very young channel, I will appreciate it. Like I said, it's your man, Mr. POV, and we're on Spring Garden, taking a nice little bike ride, real quick. Little afternoon bike ride. This is Spring Garden subway train station right here that we're under right now. Passing by. Woo! Ouch, 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 god damn it. So they got a lot of new buildings building up here on Spring Garden. I mean, a whole lot. A lot of condos too. So let's just say Spring Garden got a little bit expensive to live now. So if you got the money, it's a little windy out here right now. It wasn't windy earlier. All of a sudden, all this wind came out of nowhere. So I do apologize if the audio is messed up. Yeah, but like I said, man, they're building up all these new condos and apartment complex here on Spring Garden, making Spring Garden very expensive to live now. It's gonna be one of them high-end spots. I mean, there's a lot of buildings going up. Right now, we're here at 4th and Spring Garden. Woohoo! We got a CVS right here on my right. Building up a new building right here on my left. I don't know what building that is, what it's gonna be. If it's gonna be a business or oh shit, god damn it. Whew. Oh man, the wind really started kicking up now. Oh, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's real windy right now. Oh, scared the shit out of me. Past Mr. 52 on the bike. We got downtown Center City on my left hand side off in the distance. I don't know if y'all can see them. The very, very, very tall buildings right up there. That's downtown Center City. See, there you go. I'm gonna give you a clearer view. That's them right there, downtown Center City, right there. Another new building that got put up right here, off on my right. Not an expensive spot to live at. It's almost finished though. Okay. All right, you want to race? You want to race, my boy? You want to race? Oh, you want to race too? All right. Let me kick this up in the gear. He don't want it. He don't want the smoke. He don't want the smoke. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. He don't want the yeah, I got him, y'all. You try something. Oh, you want something too? All right. Okay. All right. Let's see what's going on here. They're trying me today. All right. They think I ain't got it in me, huh? They think I can't beat them. All right. Just because they got gas and I got electric, Now I got a head start. Now what? Yeah, you sitting there in traffic. I ain't. Don't listen, man. Don't try me. All right, let's see if we can get across here real quick. Okay, there's a little prayer going on right now at the corner of Spring Garden and Broad. See if I can get across here before this light change. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Woohoo! Got it. Right here we got the Planet Fitness in this building right here. This is a giant store, a very giant store, and it is giant, with a lot of other little stores at the also inside of it. Like I said, there's Planet Fitness. There's an animal. I think there's an animal store in there too. Something like that. Yeah. Across on my left right here is the food company. Where we at? 15? This 15? I think this is 15. I think this is 15 we just crossed, yeah. We're heading down to Rocky Steps. Woohoo! Excuse me. Everybody good. You want me, baby, come on me, cocky slow. And I can't stop the heartbeat, but I love it when you're good. You want me, baby, cocky slow. Oh yeah, I'm listening to some music right now. I'm listening to some reggae music. Where are we at? Cross, cross, cross. Good, 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 good. Right over here on my left is the Community College of Philadelphia. Got somebody taking pictures right there. She's not posing right, because he's taking a long time to take that damn picture. Like, it shouldn't take you that long to snap a picture, man. Carpenters Regional Council. Okay. Carpenter Museum. All right. This the we just passed the Carpenter Museum. Didn't know this was right here. There's many times. Over here we have Love Dental. Gotta get your teeth loved on. You want somebody to love your teeth? We got Love Dental right here. A lot of houses, a lot of apartment complex right here down this side of Spring Garden. Not cheap at all. I'm letting y'all know right now. You're gonna need to make at least 6 figures or have multiple roommates to stay in some of these apartments down here. Woo. Or own your own business. I'm telling you. Over here on my left we have a school. And also on my left you have Jefferson Health Center. Right over here. And we're coming up to we're now pretty close to the Rocky Steps at the Art Museum. It's just straight ahead, cross 2 lights, and we're about to be there. Excuse me. Important guy coming through. Thank you. Huh? Yeah, go ahead. I know you want to switch over. Should have did that a long time ago. All right, if y'all look straight ahead, I know y'all might can't see because of the sun, but there's the steps directly ahead. And the Rocky statue standing right there off to the right. A lot of cars. I'm just waiting for this traffic to ease up or the light to change, either one. And we got it good. We got a green light. My green light. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the famous Rocky Balboa steps. And no, I will not be running up them steps. So don't even expect me to do that. Now right here, before we go to the steps, there's Rocky. There's the Rocky statue right there. On the weekends, like on Saturday and Sunday, or even Friday, it'll be a long ass line out here waiting for people waiting to take a picture. I'm telling you. So take a picture right now, because I ain't going over there. All right. And these are the steps. So if you ever come to Philly, you want to run up these steps, be my guest, because my ass ain't doing it. Telling that right now. Yep. These are the AKA Rocky steps at the Art Museum. Don't ask me how many steps it is. I don't know, and I do not care to find out. Yep. So yeah, this is it. This is the Art Museum, ladies and gentlemen, AKA Rocky Steps. I'm about to head home and get me something to eat. Thank you all for joining me on another video. It's your man, Mr. POV. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace out, y'all.